Hi friends, this is Varsha Subbarao along with Hotty Buddy welcomes you to Green Coach. Green Coach is an online tutorial for various horticulture subjects. Today in Green Coach horticulture classes, we are dealing with the subject pathology and we are dealing with the diseases of vegetables. And today's topic is diseases of crucifers. Diseases of crucifers. Let's see the list out of diseases first. The first one are the fungal diseases and the bacterial diseases. Let's see the fungal diseases. Damping of and white stem, club rot, powdery mildew, downy mildew, white rust, anthracnose, alternaria leaf spots, black leg of cabbage, and cabbage yellows, and one bacterial disease that is bacterial rot. Let's discuss in detail about each and every disease. Damping off, always caused by Phythium dermatum. Generally, damping off is of two types: pre-emergence damping off and post-emergence damping off. Pre-emergence damping off means before the emergence of seedling, the damping off occurs due to the rotting of plumule radicle. If it is post-emergent damping off, the collar region and the below the soil, the root region affects. It is in general cases, but in case of crucifers, it is called wide stem because the plants are attacked at later stages. The roots become thinner and they become woody. Because of this, they got the name wide stem. The young stem thickens with age and grows in diameter and slough off its outer cells. The plants are brownish to black above and below the soils. Stems are smaller than normal but tough and woody, hence the name wide stem. Rhizoctonia diseases develop more in sandy soils than in clay soils. It is very important bit. Rhizoctonia diseases develops in sandy soils and in clay soils. Mode of infection. Primary is by infected plant debris and secondary is by windborne or rain-splashed conidia. Management. Drenching the soil with 1% Bodex mixture 10 to 15 days interval. And seed treatment with the Thyram or Captain 3 grams per kg of seeds and soil solarization. You can see here. Let's have a great glance. The roots becomes thin and wide like woody, hence the name wide stem. Have a great glance. And the next one is clubroot of crucifers caused by Plasmodiophora brassicae. Clubroot of crucifers caused by Plasmodiophora brassicae. The name itself indicates the symptoms of the disease. The clubroot means here underdevelopment of plants and flagging of the leaves in hot weather. It resembles like the plant is under water stress. When it is comes to the clubroot, it's like the plant is in water stress. It shows the symptoms like that. And the plants shows irregular galls on the roots. And the root take the shape of the spindle, hence the name clubroot. Heterotrophy occurs, causes the malfunctioning of the root. It is severe when the soil pH is below 7, means acidic pH. Okay, fumigation with vacuum is essential. You can see here clubroot, irregular galls on the root in the third picture, and the root becomes spindle in shape in the second picture. Let's have a great glance. And third one, powdery mildew, always caused by Erisife polygony. Initially, white tufts of mold arises on the upper surface of the leaves and later turn together and the leaf becomes covered with greyish white mycelium. For powdery mildew, we all know that Bodex mixture is useful for checking and for control, and sulfur can also be used as an efficient fungicide. Let's have a great glance. It is the most common disease, powdery mildew caused by Erisife species. And next one is downy mildew, Padnospora parasitica. Padnospora parasitica. In generally, downy mildew appears on the lower side of the leaf, and the upper side appears as yellow in color. And the lower side, when you see the mycelium, generally it is a light biscuit in color, means creamy white in color. But in case of crucifers, they are purplish brown spot on the undersurface of the leaf. When it comes to the upper surface of the leaves, they remain yellow. During the bolting stage, whole curd is spoiled and depressed lesions may also occur. Hot water treatment of 50 degrees for 30 seconds can be most useful, and you can see here. Let's have a great glance. Next is black leg of cabbage, which is the most important disease in case of crucifers, caused by Formalingum. It is most important disease, black leg of cabbage, formalingam. Black leg of cabbage, formalingam. Here, over or linear depressed light brown canker-like symptoms occurs at the base of the stem. Black leg near the base of the stem, it becomes black in color. Vertical split may also occur, which shows black discoloration of sap. The whole root decays from the bottom to upwards. You can see here. First, in the black leg, canker-like symptoms occurs, and vertical split occurs, and the oozing out can be seen, and also discolorations of black in color. Hence the name black rot, black leg. White rust, albugo candida. It is of two types: local infection, systematic infection. In case of local infection, white tufts like mycelium can be observed, 1 to 2 mm in dia. In case of systemic infection, in seedling, inflorescence, everything is attacked. 1% of borax mixture is efficient. See, let's have a great glance on the tufts of white mycelium. Albugo species, albugo candida, white rust. And anthracnose, Coledotrichum species, here Coledotrichum higginianum. Coledotrichum higginianum. Small water coalescence forms and they becomes brown in color, grey or straw colored, surrounded by dark border. And lesions becomes sunken, they becomes dry, light tan in color. Alternaria leaf spot. Alternaria brassica or Alternaria alternata. We can always see the 1 centimeter in dia, they are elliptical. Of course, concentric rings can be seen in case of Alternaria leaf spot. Hot water treatment is efficient. See, you can see here the concentric rings in the spot 1 centimeter in diameter surrounded by yellow halo. Let's have a great glance. And next, black rot. It is the bacterial disease caused by Xanthomonas campestris. The disease occurs in any stage of the crop growth. First on veins, veinlets turns fully brown, finally black. Vascular discoloration leaves to an yellow drop off. The head may not in case of late infection. See here. Veins and veinlets become brown and black in color. Sometimes it may affect the curds also. Cabbage yellows, it's like the wilt. Fusarium oxysporum FSB conguitulans, Fusarium oxysporum FSB, orthoceros. Here the leaves or it turns yellow in color, they become lifeless. Discoloration of vascular tissues, they become brittle, curling of stems can be seen. Let's see, let's have a great glance. That's what we had learned. White stem disease caused by Rhizoctonia solani. Clubroot, powdery mildew caused by Ericifer polygony, downy mildew, Plasmodiophyra brassica. White rust albugo candida, anthracnose caused by Coledotrichum higginianum. Alternaria leaf spot caused by Alternaria brassica. Black leg of cabbage caused by Formalingam, cabbage yellows. And bacterial rot caused by Xanthomonas campestris. That's all for now, friends. Thanks for subscribing to Green Coach. We'll update you soon with another videos. If you have any doubts, please comment them in the comment section. We'll clarify your doubts as soon as possible, and all the comments are welcome. If you want to give us any suggestions also, you can comment them in the comment section. Thanks for subscribing us. Please like and support our videos and share. Thank you guys.